Good morning to all. Welcome to AP Samagra Shiksha Vizianagaram online classes. Hi students, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe. I am A. Sridevi, working as English teacher in KGBV Vepada. Today we discuss 9th class English, Unit 2. Our lesson name is VVS Lakshman, very special. Who is VVS Lakshman? VVS Lakshman is a Indian cricketer. Who is he? Children, do you know who is he? Yes, he was Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, god of Indian cricket. And who is he? Yes, he is Mr. VVS Lakshman. Next, who is he? Yes, he is Mr. MS Dhoni. He is VVS Lakshman, Indian cricketer. This is an interview, VVS Lakshman. This is the play of cricket. What do you observe in this picture? One man is batting, one man bowling, remaining others was fielding. Today we discuss the lesson VVS Lakshman, very special. VVS Lakshman, very special. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. Who told these lines? VVS Lakshman told these lines. What he says? Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. గెలుపునైనా ఓటమునైనా ఒకే విధంగా చూడమన్నారు. Success and failure are parts of anybody's life. The key is self-belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. VVS Lakshman tells VV Subramaniam. Who told these lines? VVS Lakshman. ఎవరికి చెప్తున్నారు? వివి సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం. ఏమని చెప్తున్నారు? సక్సెస్ అండ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ ఆర్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీబడీస్ లైఫ్. The key is self-belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. VVS Lakshman tells VV Subramaniam. Now we go to lesson. One of the finest players in contemporary cricket has called it a day. For some time, who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance with the willow for 16 long years in Test cricket. Vangipurapu Venkata Sai Lakshman announced his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad ahead of the 2 Test series against New Zealand. Children, do you know how many types of cricket? క్రికెట్ ఎన్ని విధాలుగా ఆడతారు తెలుసమ్మా? వన్డే క్రికెట్ అంటారు, 2020 క్రికెట్ అంటారు, మరియు టెస్ట్ క్రికెట్ అంటారు. వన్డే క్రికెట్ అంటే మినిమం అవర్స్ ఉంటాయి. అంటే ఏ గేమ్ ఆడాల్సి వచ్చినా 2 టీమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఒక టీం క్రికెట్ అనే ఆటలో ఒక టీంకి 11 మెంబర్స్ ఉంటారు. అలాగే ఈ క్రికెట్ వన్డే మ్యాచ్ అంటే లిమిటెడ్ అవర్స్, అంటే ఒక టీం 50 అవర్స్ ఆడాలి, ఒక టీం 50 అవర్స్. అదే 2020 అంటే ఒక టీం 20 అవర్స్ ఆడాలి, సెకండ్ టీం కూడా 20 అవర్స్లో ఫస్ట్ టీం కొట్టిన ఏనైతే రన్స్ స్కోర్ చేశారో వాటికన్నా ఎక్కువ స్కోర్ చేయగలిగితే సెకండ్ టీం విన్ అయినట్టు. అదే టెస్ట్ మ్యాచ్ అంటే దీనికి ఓవర్స్తో సంబంధం ఉండదు అన్నమాట. ఇది డే అండ్ నైట్, మార్నింగ్ 9 to ఈవినింగ్ 5 డే మ్యాచ్ అన్నమాట. అలా 5 days ఏ ఏ టీం గెలిస్తే ఆ టీం విన్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా. అయితే మనం ఇప్పుడు లెసన్లోకి వెళ్తే, వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫైనెస్ట్ ప్లేయర్స్ ఇన్ కాంటెంపరీ క్రికెట్ హ్యాస్ కాల్డ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ డే ఫర్ someone who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance with the willow for 16 long years in Test cricket. వెంగిపురపు వెంకట సాయి లక్ష్మణ్, వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ పూర్తి పేరు వేంగిపురపు వెంకట సాయి లక్ష్మణ్, announced his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad ahead of the 2 Test series against New Zealand. వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ గారు తన యొక్క రిటైర్మెంట్ని న్యూజిలాండ్తో జరుగుతున్న టెస్ట్ సిరీస్లో, ఇంకా టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ అవుతుంది, ఇంకా 2 matches ఇంకా మిగిలి ఉండగానే అతని యొక్క రిటైర్మెంట్ని మీడియా ముందు అతను అనౌన్స్ చేశారు. నెక్స్ట్, ది 37-year-old స్టార్ బ్యాట్స్మన్ హూ వాజ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్యాబ్యులస్ బ్యాటింగ్ లైనప్ విచ్ హెల్ప్డ్ ఇండియా బికమ్ ది నెంబర్ 1 టెస్ట్ టీమ్ shares his experiences and thoughts in an exclusive interview with Sports Star. This lesson is in an interview. ఎవరి ఇంటర్వ్యూ? స్పోర్ట్స్ స్టార్ ఛానల్ వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ గారిని ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేస్తుందన్నమాట. ది 30-year-old స్టార్ బ్యాట్స్మన్ హూ వాజ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్యాబ్యులస్ బ్యాటింగ్ లైనప్ which helped India become the number 1 test team shares his experiences and thoughts in an exclusive interview with Sports Star. తన యొక్క అనుభవాన్ని మరియు ఆలోచనల్ని స్పోర్ట్స్ స్టార్తో పంచుకుంటున్నారు. స్పోర్ట్స్ స్టార్ ఛానల్. When you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? VVS Lakshman. It has been wonderful. I was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Jackie. Who is Jackie? Syed Moinuddin Jackie. From the under 16 level itself. They made us play in the under 19 grade the same year. It was a hug leap for us and very encouraging. Fortunately, by 18, I was on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy. సాధారణంగా మనం ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ టీంలో ఆడాలి అంటే అంత ఈజీ అయిన పని కాదు. ఎందుకంటే దాని గురించి చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేయాలి, మరియు చాలా కాంపిటీషన్స్, చాలా లెవెల్స్ దాటుకుంటూ వెళ్తే అప్పుడు ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ టీంలో మనల్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తారనమాట. ఈ వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ కూడా ఫస్ట్ అతను తన ఫ్రెండ్ అయిన జాకీ హూ ఈజ్ జాకీ? సయ్యద్ మొయినుద్దీన్ జాకీ. ఇద్దరు ఫస్ట్ అండర్ 16 లెవెల్ ఆడి, తర్వాత అండర్ 19 ఆడి, తర్వాత హైదరాబాద్ తరపున వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ గారు రంజీ ట్రోఫీలో కూడా ఆడటం జరిగింది. Honestly, I feel that all the hard work and commitment I put in from the start of my career have culminated. In 16 long years of international cricket, it has been an immensely satisfying feeling to have contributed to Indian cricket in my own way. తను 16 సంవత్సరాల పాటు ఇండియన్ టెస్ట్ క్రికెట్కి తన యొక్క సేవల్ని అందించాడు. చాలా సంతోషంగా, చాలా సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్గా, సంతృప్తికరంగా తన యొక్క సేవల్ని అందించారు. ఎస్ఎస్, దెర్ ఈజ్ ఎస్ఎస్ మీన్స్ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఛానల్ అన్నమాట. హూ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఆన్ యూ? మీ మీద ఎవరైనా పెద్దగా ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఉందా? వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ గారు టోల్డ్ టు ఛానల్, మై పేరెంట్స్ డాక్టర్ వి శాంతారాం అండ్ డాక్టర్ వి సత్యభామ. వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్స్ ఫాదర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ డాక్టర్ వి శాంతారాం గారు అండ్ మదర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ డాక్టర్ వి సత్యభామ. నో డౌట్ అబౌట్ దట్, ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇంకంతకన్నా వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ అతని మీద ఎక్కువగా ఉండేదన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్. వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్స్ ఫాదర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ డాక్టర్ వి శాంతారాం అండ్ మదర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ డాక్టర్ వి సత్యమమ్మ. బోత్ ఆర్ doctors. Given the fact that sports was never an integral part of our family, but the guiding philosophy which they thought was handling success and failure with equal ease. వాళ్ళు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఏం చెప్పారంటే మన లైఫ్లో గెలుపైనా ఓటమి అయినా సమానంగానే చూడాలి అని ఒకదాన్ని చెప్పారని చెప్పారు. నెక్స్ట్ yes. What did the sports teach you? VVS Lakshman. Character. To treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced and obviously whatever I am today is because of cricket. VVS Lakshman told to Sports Channel, character. What sports teach you ante character. To treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced and obviously whatever I am today is because of cricket. Sports Channel. What was the most difficult phase of your career? VVS. There is VVS means VVS Lakshman Garu. Vengipurpu Venkata Sai Lakshman. It was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. That was the toughest moment of my life. Though there was always the dream to play for my country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor, coming from a family of doctors. Luckily, my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. Here, the role of my uncle Baba Mohan was very crucial along with some of the coaches then. Once again, what was the most difficult phase of your career? The answer was, it was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. That was the toughest moment of my life. Though there was always the dream to play for my country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor, coming from a family of doctors. Luckily, my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. Here, the role of my uncle Baba Mohan was very crucial along with some of the coaches then. అయితే తను అకాడమీలో తన క్రికెట్ నేర్చుకునే తొలినాళ్ళలో చాలా కష్టంగా ఉండేది. ఎందుకంటే ఇతను ఎప్పుడు కూడా కళ్ళకంటూ ఉండేవారు. ఏమని, తను ఇండియన్ టీం తరఫున, భారతదేశం తరఫున ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ ఆడుతున్నట్టు. కానీ యాక్చువల్లీ వాళ్ళది డాక్టర్స్ ఫ్యామిలీ, మదర్ అండ్ ఫాదర్ వర్ డాక్టర్స్. సో అందరూ ఇతను కూడా ఒక డాక్టరు అవ్వాలని అనుకుంటారు. కానీ ఇతని అదృష్టవశాత్తు వాళ్ళ నాన్నగారు ఇతనికి ఫుల్ ఫ్రీడమ్ ఇచ్చారనమాట. నువ్వు ఏదైతే అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నావో అది నీ ఇష్టం అనేసి. దానికి వాళ్ళ అంకుల్ బాబా మోహన్ గారు కూడా చాలా ఎంకరేజ్ చేశారు. నెక్స్ట్, do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? Have things changed a lot in this regard? VVS. Frankly, nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. There are many platforms of real talent to come good, and the IPL is one such which pushes you into national recognition. If you perform, you are bound to get recognized. Do you believe, once again I read, do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? Have things changed a lot in this regard? ఫ్రాంక్లీ, నిజంగానే ఆ రోజుల కంటే ఈ రోజుల్లో గుర్తింపు పొందడం చాలా తేలికైపోయింది. అదే ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ టీంలో ప్లేస్ సంపాదించడం అన్నమాట ఇక్కడ రికగ్నైజ్డ్ అంటే. Nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. అంటే వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ గారికి ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్లో ఎంటర్ అయ్యే టైంలో కంటే ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ డేస్ మీడియా చాలా డెవలప్ అయ్యి చాలా ఈజీగా ఎవరి గురించైనా తెలిసిపోతుందన్నమాట. There are many platforms for real talent to come good, and the IPL is one such, which pushes you into national recognition. If you perform, you are bound to get recognized. దాంట్లో ఐపీఎల్ మీన్స్ ఇండియన్ ప్రీమియర్ లీగ్ అనేది కూడా ఒక మంచి ప్లాట్ఫామ్. ఎందుకంటే టాలెంట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళని గుర్తించడానికి ఐపీఎల్ అనేది ఒక మంచి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అన్నమాట. పాత రోజుల్లో సచిన్ టెండూల్కర్ అనండి, సౌరవ్ గంగూలీ వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా, వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఫస్ట్ అండర్-16 ఆడి తర్వాత అండర్-19లో సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యి తర్వాత అవన్నీ రంజీ ట్రోఫీ అవన్నీ ఆడి ఆ తర్వాత మన ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ టీంలోకి వచ్చారన్నమాట. అలా రావడానికి వాళ్ళు చాలా కష్టపడాల్సి వచ్చింది. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ డేస్ అంటే ఈ ఐపీఎల్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఐపీఎల్లో ఎవరైతే ఇండియన్స్ బాగా పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళని గుర్తించి వాళ్ళకి మన ఇండియన్ టీంలో అవకాశం ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. అంటే అప్పటికన్నా ఇప్పుడు చాలా ఈజీ వే అయిపోయింది అని తను చెప్తున్నారన్నమాట. SS. From where did you draw the strength to emerge as a gained every time there was an effort to draft your achievements? V.S. Lakshman. My parents and my entire family again. They, along with my well-wishers, were always the source of inspiration. The best part is that they never changed irrespective of whether I was performing or not. Once again I read. From where did you draw the strength to emerge as a change every time there was an effort to draft your achievements? VVS responded to question. My parents and my entire family again. They, along with my well-wishers, were always the source of inspiration. The best part is that they never changed irrespective of whether I was performing or not. Next. Yes. What were your biggest moment as a cricketer? VVS sir responded. There were many, చాలా ఉన్నాయి, but some stand out. కానీ కొన్ని మాత్రం అలా గుర్తుండిపోతాయి. ఏంటి? I never played the World Cup that saw India as the #1 team. Being a member of the Indian team, which was the world #1 in Test cricket, was one of them. విఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ గారు తన కెరీర్లో ఒకసారి కూడా వరల్డ్ కప్ ఆడలేదు. ఇండియా #1 టీమ్ టెస్ట్ క్రికెట్లో #1 టీం అయినప్పుడు అతను టెస్ట్ క్రికెట్ దీంట్లో అతను ఒక మెంబర్గా ఉన్నారు. ది 281 అగైనెస్ట్ ద ఏషియాస్ ఇన్ కల్కటా ఇన్ 2001 వాజ్ అనదర్. ఇతను ఆస్ట్రేలియా మీద అప్పటికొచ్చి ఎవరికి అంత మంచి రికార్డ్ లేదు ఆస్ట్రేలియా మీద టెస్ట్ క్రికెట్లో ఇన్ని రన్స్ కొట్టడం. అయితే ఈ విఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ గారు అగైనెస్ట్ ఆసీస్ మీన్స్ ఆస్ట్రేలియా మీద 2001లో కలకత్తాలో 281 పరుగులు చేసి ఆ యొక్క విజయంలో తన వంతు పాత్రని పోషించారన్నమాట. విఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ గారు 281 రన్స్ అండ్ బియాండ్.
cricket, life, and everything in between.
Have you ever got angrier on the field than during the chase against Australia in Mohali in 2010?
I know everyone talks about that Mohali match. They don't remember the knock I played, and they think always that, they just talk about Pragyan Oja's incident. I think once in Kolkata, this was the Tri-Series finals in 2003. I dropped 3 catches when we were fielding, and Brad Williams was a bowler. As it is, I was upset that I dropped 3 catches, and he was coming and chirping while bowling. So I just lost my cool. I can't tell what words I used or how I reacted, but that was one moment where I lost my cool.
Excellent. Okay, second question. If a movie was made about you, who would you like to play in the lead role?
No one asked me this question before. Okay, while growing up, I would like my son Sarvajit, because I feel that he is a drama master. So Sarvajit while growing up, and I'm a big fan of Mahesh Babu, who is one of the very, very talented actors from South India. So probably Mahesh Babu.
One thing about your 281 that no one knows about.
I think everyone knows about my 281. Probably that I wouldn't have played that game. Thanks to Andrew Lepus, I played that game. Otherwise, if he wouldn't have been there, or if he didn't work hard on my back, I probably wouldn't have played that game.
A batting shot you think you can play better than most other batsmen?
I can play better. I think a lot of batsmen with whom I played were very talented and skillful. So I wouldn't say that they couldn't play what I could play.
No, but any one shot that you think you played better than most others? Flicking Shane Warne against the turn.
Maybe against the turn, especially when the ball is pitching on the rough, probably I had the ability to reach to pitch on the ball and play against the turn.
Okay, a batting shot you wish you could play better?
Hit more sixes. And even now, in my dreams, I try to hit sixes because I couldn't do that consistently during my playing days.
Okay, what's the most fun thing about fielding in the slips?
You don't require to run too much.
Which batting partner made you worry about getting run out?
Actually, none of them. To be very
Come
honest.
on, Vivian.
None of them. None of them.
What was the most boring aspect of nets for you?
The boring aspect was sometimes as a number 6 batsman, the top 5 batsmen used to get opportunity to bat against quality bowlers, and then when you went into batting, you used to get the net bowlers or the part-timers to bowl to you, and that was very irritating, especially when you're preparing for a challenging match or when you're preparing against a good opposition.
What app do you use the most on your phone?
Okay, I'm on Cricinfo show.
Perfect answer.
Yeah, so Cricinfo, because right from the time Cricinfo started, anywhere I was, even when playing days, if I had to know the scores, domestic cricket across the globe, it would be Cricinfo. So even now, it's still the Cricinfo app.
If you hadn't been a cricketer, what profession do you think you would have seen yourself?
I think everyone knows this answer because I always wanted or dreamt of being a doctor. My parents were my role models. So probably if I wouldn't have played the game, I would have been a doctor.
If you could be a superhero, what superpowers would you want?
Fly. And to save the world. And I always admired Superman right from my childhood when I saw the first Superman movie, because all the superheroes had a great heart, and they had one thing in their mind. While they had the superpowers, that powers they used to safeguard or look after the needy.
How well do you know Rahul Dravid off the field? Does he have a weakness for anything in particular?
He had one weakness which he tried to control throughout his career, that is his love for the chocolates and ice creams.
Brilliant.
So I think that's one weakness Rahul had.
What's the most interesting thing you have learned from your kids in the last year?
Always, not the last year, but right from the time they become little mature. I feel both of them are mature, even though they're 11 and 9 years. Is unconditional love. Irrespective of who they meet, there's unconditional love pouring out from them. And that's something which is a divine quality in kids.
One band or singer who you would love to see and perform live?
I wish I could. Kishore Kumar. Even now in my music collection, there has to be Kishore Kumar, because he was a legend and he was probably the most versatile and talented singer I came across. Even now, the songs which he sang way back in 70s, 80s, I mean, it's evergreen songs. So Kishore Kumar.
A famous person who you would love to meet, one that you haven't met already.
Maybe Roger Federer. But if given a choice, unfortunately, Mahatma Gandhi is not alive. Probably Mahatma Gandhi.
A match from history that you wish you could have played in.
1983 World Cup win. That win, and when Kapil Paji lifted the Prudential Cup, Lord's balcony, that inspired me to play the game. And I'm sure not only me, but a lot of talented cricketers, a lot of cricket fans in India got inspired by that moment. So I would have been really happy to be part of that event.
Okay. Australians love you, but who is your favorite Australian?
Oh, there are a lot of favorites, like Brett Lee, Andrew Simons, Gilchrist, Ricky Ponting. But one favorite Australian player I was very impressed with was Mark Taylor. Likeable character, a very good captain. He was an outstanding player, but I think he was a very likable person.
If you could face one bowler from history, so one before your time, who would you have loved to face? Why?
I think the quartet from West Indies, Garner, Olding, Marshall, and Andy Roberts, probably that bowlers, because I would probably challenge myself playing against them. And also, if I may add, the great Kapil Dev, Imran Khan, Richard Adley, Botham, that all-rounders, because while growing up, I really enjoyed the challenges a batsman would face against these quality bowlers.
Other than biryani, what should we definitely eat when in Hyderabad, according to you?
I've got a sweet tooth. Kurbani ka meeta and double ka meeta.
If you could have played a prank on one teammate, who would it be?
Prank on one teammate? Without hesitation, I can say Jawahirlal Srinath, because he was a prankster. I can never ever forget 1998 in Dunedin. The first 3 days of the match was rained off, and suddenly someone knocks on my room, on the door, and I open, and suddenly I see Srinath with a turban. He took Harbhajan's help to put on a turban. So Sri was a prankster. He was a cartoon, so Srinath.
All right, brilliant. If you could have one food item, just one food item for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Green curry with sticky rice. Green curry with sticky rice.
Lovely. Okay. How are batsmen cooler than bowlers?
They don't sweat as much as the bowlers do.
You love to laugh, or so it seems. But what is your favorite comedy? What makes you laugh all the time?
Just being with Ashish Nehra, Zahir Khan, Yuvraj Singh, Virender Sehwag, and Harbhajan Singh. By default, all of them are cartoons. It was great fun being around them.
Your favorite movie?
I am a movie buff. A lot of movies, but still. One favorite movie was Remember the Titans. Not that it allowed me to relax, but it got me inspired. This was before the 2001 Test series against Australia. We all, as a team, watched it in Chennai during the camp.
Your favorite holiday destination?
Wherever I'm with my kids, but I cannot forget Interlaken. It was beautiful when we visited there, Switzerland. Good people, good food to eat, and very scenic place.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments.